Okay, so this first ALEKS topic has you predicting the relative electronegativities of atoms. So electronegativity is a concept from chapter 9, and all it really is it just describes the tendency of an atom to attract electrons. So how strongly is an atom pulling on electrons, especially when we're looking at two atoms close to each other in close proximity, like bonded together. Okay, so in order to determine relative electronegativity of an atom, we just need the periodic table. So if you're looking at your periodic table, which I'll try to draw just a little rough periodic table, or something like this. I'm sure I'm messing it up. Electronegativity increases as you move up a group, and also increases as you move across a row or a period. And so the overall net trend for electronegativity would be an increase as you move in the upper right direction all the way to the element fluorine. Fluorine is the most electronegative element on the periodic table. And of course, it's in group 17, so it's right here before you get to the noble gases. So fluorine is the most electronegative element. And so if we are going to order these elements of decreasing electronegativity, we need to find the most electronegative one first. So we're looking at these three. Let's check the periodic table to figure out where they are. So we have arsenic, selenium, and oxygen. Let's go to our periodic table. All right, so here is arsenic, here is selenium, and here is oxygen. Now remember, fluorine is our most electronegative element, and electronegativity increases as you move up a group and across a row or period for a net trend of upper to the right. So if I'm comparing oxygen, arsenic, and selenium, then the most electronegative element would be oxygen, followed by selenium. Arsenic and selenium are on the same row, but selenium is more electronegative because it's further to the right, followed by arsenic being the least electronegative. So I'm going to answer the question and arrange these by decreasing electronegativity. The answer would be oxygen first, followed by selenium, and then arsenic. So we follow the same pattern for the second question in this problem. We already know that fluorine is the most electronegative element in the periodic table of elements. And all of these happen to be halogens, so they're going to be in the same group as fluorine. So it is just as simple as moving in the downward direction. Electronegativity decreases as you go from top to bottom. So fluorine is the most. Here it is. We had bromine and iodine. So most electronegative, less electronegative, least electronegative of the three. So fluorine, then bromine, and iodine. They are already in the correct order.